Imagine you are building a Lego castle with your friends. Since the project is large, you decide to work on individual components. So Alice builds Tower A and Bob builds Tower B. To ensure smooth collaboration, you decide to track your activity by logging it in a notebook. If we have a look at these logs, we would see that Bob passes the work to Alice at 11:15 am. Alice completes the job and passes it back to Bob at 11:45. Thus, by combining the logs of both these participants, we were able to understand the exact activity flow. While working in a large project, combining the activity of all participants enables us to understand the exact flow. Similarly, using distributed tracing, we understand the exact flow of a network request through a distributed system. Let's understand this better with an example. Consider this microservice architecture. The white ball represents the path, also known as the trace, of a network request through this distributed system. We can represent the role of each service in the network trace using a span map on the right. This helps us to better understand the flow of the request through the system. Each network request is given a unique identifier, also known as the trace ID. The system might also receive simultaneous requests. All the logs in these services are correlated with the trace ID, so that for a single network request, the user is able to query all the logs across services. Using distributed tracing is pretty easy. You can use popular applications like Datadog and OpenTelemetry, which provide their library clients, using which you can integrate this in your code. Adding distributed tracing to your code is as easy as importing these libraries and wrapping your block of code around the span block. Let's see how we can visualize traces and spans on a production server. The traces consist of multiple spans, including a parent span and inner child spans. Also, we can query the entire logs for a trace across multiple services. Please hit the like and subscribe button to support the channel.